from Urchfab. In this video I'm just going to be assembling this fixture table, welding table. This is something that I've wanted to have for a long time. I've actually had this sat in the corner of the workshop for quite a long time now. I've only just got around to putting it together, so that's what this video is, me just fitting it all together and making some legs for it. This has been laser cut by Rob from Extreme Plasma, and it just comes as a flat pack kit that you basically just piece together. And yeah, we've got a load of little stops, clamps. These are strong hand clamps, which I got from Inverter Fusion, which pretty self-explanatory. And then I got a load of these stops for marking stuff out. They only had 5 clamps, so I bought some of, they do a clamp basically the same, like a G clamp style thing, and I'm just going to cut them off and weld them on to some of those basically. So I'll have 10 clamps, 10 stops, jobs are good. So that's it. Table's done. Went together really easy. You just got to remember to get the slats in the right way so that you've got all these little tangs facing out. And then these bottom pieces that the legs sit on, they only go in one way as well. So other than that, it all just clips together. I didn't have to deburr anything to get it, like to get the all the tangs to slot in. They slotted straight in. All of these, my clamps and stuff, were too tight to fit into the hole. Whether these are made for a machined 16mm hole could be the reason, but they were too tight, so I ended up just taking a tiny bit off of these. So it might be worth having these holes a fraction bigger, but I went and checked one of these on a friend of mine's table. He bought one of these pre-made and it was the same. You couldn't quite fit these strong hand clamps into it, so that's one thing to consider. But yeah, if it's something you want, it would be worth contacting Rob at Extreme Plasma. His details are in the description. And if you're after these clamps, Invert Fusion, also in the description. And then there's all sorts of different fixturing stuff you can get for these extensions and whatnot. You can get tables twice the size, but for an affordable table, I think it's pretty good. The legs, obviously, you could do that a lot easier. I wanted to make it adjustable just so that I could have something that is dead level, because it's always good to have a level surface to work off. So yeah, I wasn't sure whether to put casters on it so I could wheel it around, or do that, or even do both. But I ended up just going with this. It's going to be it for this one. Just watching. See you on the next one.